vlog today in my friend's car, my friend Mercy. So my friend told me I was going to go somewhere with her, right? And I did my makeup, like I was getting ready, and then she sent me a message telling me that we're going to do our brows. So my makeup is going to end up being a waste, but yeah, we are going to do our brows. We are driving there right now. We are a bit late and she's paying for me actually. So we are trying out the henna brows. We've been planning on doing microblading, but you know, we are broke. We are broke and we don't want to spend that much yet, and we're not even sure like if you're going to like it. And you know, we just decided to start with this one because it's more it's cheaper. Okay, so we want to start with it and see what it looks like.
Cheaper. It's inexpensive.
Okay, because it's because it's inexpensive, so once we start with it, you know, like, and see how it looks like, and be sure that we're really going to like doing our brows like that, okay, before we go and, you know, do the microblading. But yeah, so we're driving there and I'm taking you guys along with me. And I know it's been a while I vlogged. Like, guys, I don't really have any like interesting thing or important thing happening around me. Like, it's basically work home, so that is why I've not been vlogging at all for a while now. But today I decided to vlog and I'm taking you guys along with me, okay? So if there's any other thing we end up doing after doing our brows, I'm also going to show you guys, okay? Yeah, and I'm going to end up cleaning this cute makeup I have on. Like, I've been admiring myself since morning, since I did my makeup. I've been admiring myself, I've been hyping myself, and my friend is jealous.
I'm not jealous.
So yeah, I'm going to see you guys when we get there, okay? So guys, we just got here and we just paid for the parking. It was a very stressful process, but we ended up 300.
Yeah.
Oh,
The building.
oh, okay. Trying to figure out where the shop or the store is, and yeah, this is like Delaware downtown. I usually don't come here, okay? I come here like maybe once in 6 months because I live far away from here and I really don't have any business here, okay? So I don't usually come here, but I'm going to show you guys what our downtown looks like. It's so beautiful out here.
We're about to start. She's anxious, I'm like.
Go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But it's okay for me. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my cup and then I'm done. To tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight of you, the weight of you.
My God! Oh my God!
Augusta wants to cry.
but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear.
Oh my
Wait,
God.
let me record you. Hold on, wait.
So it's time for the big review, okay?
Hold on, wait. Yeah, hold on, wait. Let me get there. Hold on.
Okay.
You're red.
You
Can I
ready?
start? Yeah. So it's time for the big review, okay? 1, 2.
Are you seriously counting that?
Okay, yes.
Wait.
It's dark. I hope it's going
It's
to
gonna
light
light
up.
up. It's gonna
Okay.
light. It's gonna light up. It's gonna light up.
Okay.
I used the medium brown on you,
Okay.
but it's gonna light it up.
Okay.
But do you like the shape and everything? Do you like look? She looking like they too dark.
So guys, this is supposed to be a vlog, right? That was what I said in the beginning of this video, but for some reason that day we had something came up and we needed to rush home, okay, after getting our brows done. So I didn't get to vlog. We didn't even get to do any other thing that day anymore. We didn't get to go to where she wanted to go to, okay, after doing the brows, and I didn't like vlog any other thing, okay. So this is no longer going to be a vlog, okay. So I'm just making this clip now to, you know, explain what happened that day to you guys, like how we ended up doing the henna brows and what I think about the process, if I'm going to do it again, if I think it's worth it, okay. We've actually been talking about doing our brows for a while now, guys. Like we've been, you know, looking out for different things you can do to your brows, like microblading, which is very expensive by the way, and tinting your brows, or this henna that we did, and there's this other one that they do, laminating your brows, okay. So we actually want to do microblading, okay, but because it's expensive and we are not sure we're going to end up liking it, so we decided to, you know, do this other affordable ones first, like the tinting and the what is it called, the henna, okay. And just because this one's doesn't last for long, so even if we end up not liking it, you just have it on for a couple of weeks and before you know it, it will wash out. So we decided to, you know, do the henna, but we've not really booked any appointment. At least for my end, I thought we've not booked any appointment, but I didn't know that my friend went ahead to book an appointment for both of us, and she also planned to pay for me, okay. So on that day, she was going somewhere. She told me she was going somewhere and she wanted me to go with her, okay. So that was why I did a full face of makeup. Like I was at home and I wasn't really doing anything, so I decided to, you know, wear makeup and, you know, get dressed and go out with her. But then I think before we left, that was when she told me that we are going to do the whole henna brows and she was going to pay for me, that she already booked the appointment, okay. So that was why I had a full face of makeup on, because I didn't know we were going to do our brows, okay. So yeah, this is post henna brows, okay, and I'm here to show you guys what the brows looks like, okay, and, you know, give my opinion about it and if I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see my brows. This is what my brows looks like, guys. This is exactly 2 weeks after doing my brows, okay, and I don't have any product on it right now. Like I just washed my face before making this video. And guys, please ignore my hair, okay. I know it's looking very old. I'm actually going to take it down after making this video. So according to what I know about henna, okay, it's supposed to tint the hair and also tint the skin behind the hair, okay. So if you don't have much brow hair, it's supposed to give this illusion that you do, because it's going to tint the hair behind the brow, okay. So after we got it done, right, it was looking so dark, okay, and you guys could see it in my first impression video. I was asking her if this was going to you know, like fade because it's looking so dark, and she said yes, that it's going to fade a little bit. So I had mine on for like 40 hours before I washed it out, okay, like before I washed my face. That was what she told us, okay. She told us not to wash our face immediately, and I also checked online and they said same thing online, okay. So I had mine on for like 40 hours. I was just using towel to clean my face in the morning and at night. On the second day I had to wash my face, okay. After washing my face, guys, I didn't really like it, okay. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I felt like the whole color went off, okay. I felt like the whole thing went off. I felt like I was only seeing my brows the way it was before. Yes, there was a little tint, like it was tinted a little bit, but it wasn't as much as I wanted it to be. Okay, it wasn't as much as I thought. And I know that I asked her not to use the very dark brown because she used that on my friend and it was so dark. Okay, and because I'm very light skinned, I told her not to use that very dark one because obviously it was going to be too dark for me. So now thinking about it now, if I had known that it was going to end up like this, I would have told her to use the darker shade, okay, so that when I wash it out, at least I'll have something left. Okay, so what do I think? I'm not going to try this again. Maybe I'm that kind of person that I like to try something, like give something a second chance, okay, before I write it off completely. So maybe I'm going to try it a second time, and this time around I'm going to tell them to use a very dark shade, like the darker shade, okay, so that when I wash it out, I'm going to have something left. So another thing I might actually do is to do it myself, okay, because I actually went online to check if people were complaining about it fading off like too much, and I realized that you can actually do it yourself. Okay, so maybe that is what I'm going to end up doing. I might buy the full kit and, you know, try it out myself. I'm not sure right now, but this is 2 weeks after I did it and there is barely anything on my brows. Don't get me wrong, yeah, it tinted my eyebrows and it also stained the skin under my brow a little bit. This is just very small, like you can even barely see it, okay, but right now I noticed that the skin under my brows is no longer stained. Okay, this is probably from washing my face every morning and night, I don't know, but I feel like it went off too soon. This is just 2 weeks and I can barely see anything under my brows, okay, but yeah, I'm going to try this a second time, okay, just to give it a second chance before completely criticizing it, okay. And that is the kind of person I am. But personally, I would advise that you get the kit, okay, if you feel like you can do it yourself. If you're the kind of person that is very handy and you do a lot of things yourself, like you're a DIY person and you feel like you can actually do this, then I would advise you just buy the kit. There are lots of it on Amazon, okay. You can watch a couple of videos on YouTube. They have lots of it on YouTube, and you know, see how other people are doing it and then try it out yourself, because I feel like paying about $60 to get this done is a waste of money. So yeah guys, I'm going to end this video here, okay. So I just wanted to tell you guys my opinion about it, okay. It didn't last as much as I wanted it to, or I felt like it was going to. Personally, I feel like it's a waste of money if it's going to last for just 2 weeks. I'm going to try it again, yes, because I'm giving it a second chance, okay. I'm also going to likely buy the kits and start doing it myself, okay, pending when we finally decide to go and do the microblading. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried this HENNA brows before and it lasted for you, because I know that when I was checking online, some people said it lasted for 4 weeks, 5 weeks. I don't know if it's because of where they went to do it or the kind of product they used for them, or if it's the kind of skin they have. I just don't know why theirs lasted for about 4 to 5 weeks while mine is already like completely washing off at 2 weeks, okay. So I don't know. That is why I said I'm going to give it a second chance, okay. But let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried it out before and how long it lasted for you and what you think about it, okay. So yeah, this is the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye.